Hello again, it's Ashley with the Clinton Public Library, and I'm here with another summer craft. We will be sending you home if you come in and get our take-home packet with some scratch-off papers where you guys can create some artwork yourself. Now, if you don't make it into the building, that's okay. Visit the description below, and I have linked some other videos on how you can make some scratch-off paper at home to make some colorful artwork. Express yourself and make something great, and make sure to share it with us on our social media pages. See you next week.
Hi friends, it's me, Harmony. After you finish your colorful scratch-off picture, you can look in the description box below and find a link to our summer reading program story time list. And you will find this book, Operation Photobomb, about a funny little chameleon who loves a good photo bomb. Also in the description box below, you will find links to some really fun crafts that you can do at home. And remember, if you would like to bring your crafts to the library and ask us to display them here, we would love to. We'll see you next time. Bye.